Do you see swimming?
Can I put her dolly in now?
Let's sit down, Chelsea and Amber. Give you your dolly. Sit down.
Sit down, Chelsea. Sit down.
Sit down. Sit down then.
Sit down, Chelsea. Sit down. Sit down.
We'll get put it in the water. Maybe she'll sit down then. Get your dolly. Get your dolly.
Hold on, I'm gonna do it.
Get your dolly.
Yeah, I'll get her hair wet.
No. Sit down, Chelsea. Sit down. Sit down. That's the baby, but sit down. Anyway, bye-bye to Grandma. Say bye-bye, Grandma.
Bye-bye, Chelsea.
Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye to Grandma.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Chelsea. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Chelsea. Bye-bye, Chelsea. Bye-bye, Chelsea. Bye-bye, Chelsea. Gosh, she's getting water all over. Bye-bye, Chelsea. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Don't do that, Amber.
No.
Oh, be careful. Be careful. Don't do that, Amber. She's got to sit down easy. You got to sit down. Okay, say bye-bye. We're going bye-bye. Bye.
Now you watch her.
Bye.
She's going to get out and swim all over.
Okay, bye. Bye. Okay, bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Grandma. Bye-bye. Bye. Chelsea, look. Oh, it's your baby doll. Show Grandma your dolly. Yeah, it's your dolly. Dolly's got wet hair, like Chelsea. Yeah. Did you wet the hair? Yeah. Okay, say bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye, Dolly. Say bye to your dolly. Bye-bye, Dolly. Say bye-bye, Dolly. Gonna get the dolly? Okay, bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Grandma. Boy, Chelsea, ride the horsey. Chelsea, hi. You riding the horsey? Chelsea riding the horsey. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Giddy up, giddy up. Giddy up, giddy up. Ride horsey. You getting off? Okay, get off. You getting down? What's that? What's that? Is that the phone ringing? You taking a rest? See the balloon? Go get the horsey. Go get on the horsey. Go get the horsey, Chelsea. Where you going? Where's the horsey? Where's the horsey? Go get the horsey. Go ride on the horsey. Ride on the horsey, Chelsea. Mickey Mouse? Is that Mickey Mouse? Oh, goodness. Mickey Mouse? Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse. Can you say Mickey Mouse? Mickey Mouse? Careful, you can get your arm stuck. What you got? Got Mickey Mouse? What is that, Chelsea? Chelsea, Mickey Mouse? There's Daddy.
Hi, little girl.
Say hi, Daddy.
Hi, little girl. She's got a balloon on her.
Yeah.
What's that?
We were at Garcia's. We tied it on her when we went shopping. We keep track of her. Her balloon, Dad.
Oh, did you go running
Oh,
around?
look at her punching the balloon.
Punch, punch, punch,
Boy,
punch.
you're a good balloon puncher.
Oh, boy. Is that fun? Fun?
Give Daddy kisses. Give Daddy kisses. Oh, pen.
Uh-oh. Are you going to steal that? You got to give Daddy a kiss first. Kiss first. Have a kiss? Oh.
Give Daddy kisses.
Have a hug? Couple hugs?
She figured
I
to take the
guess
pen
not,
away
huh?
from her.
Not today.
Go give Daddy kisses.
That camera come with that light?
Yeah. Oh, now you give Daddy love.
Mwah. Do you like drawing with the pen? Show Grandma how you draw. Draw, 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 draw. Draw, draw.
Gonna
Have
draw
my
on
pen
you,
back.
Dad. Go ride your horse.
Where's your horse? Can you ride that pony? Giddy up. Giddy up. Do you remember how to get on that horse? Do you remember how to get up there?
She was up there a minute ago, got all by herself. Sometimes she forgets to put that foot up first. There you go. Get on the horsey.
You got to step on the horse's leg.
That might be Kayleen. She just
Where is
called
it?
for you a minute ago, right up there. Better get that pen from her, Mike.
Okay.
Get you on a pen.
Thank you.
Okay, ride the horsey.
Giddy up. Giddy up. Giddy up.
Giddy up. Giddy up,
Giddy up,
cowboy.
pony. Giddy up.
Daddy. Oh, Grandma, your dolly. Is that your dolly? Say dolly. Pretty dolly. Dolly. Hand. Say dolly. Yeah, it's your dolly.
Getting the hang of that camera thing?
Little better.
Up. Up. There's Grandma. Wave at Grandma.
Hi, Chelsea. She wants to love her dad.